Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I started iPhone 7 repairs, what I have left there in this batch. And the first repair of them was successful one. Let's see. So, here I have iPhone 7. Phone is slightly bent, just a little bit. Screen is broken. Button looks intact. Button clicks. SIM tray present, screws present. The camera is not damaged. Overall condition is not too bad. Slight bend and screen is broken. Alright, let's connect that to the charger and see what we are taking there. And the phone started. Okay, phone started. Why this phone is here? Wi-Fi works. We have network lock on this. Fingerprint works. Battery needs to be replaced. Sound works. Okay, we have audio IC. Cameras work. Yeah, we cannot record. Is Wi-Fi working? Yes, Wi-Fi working. Yeah, that means we have only screen, battery and audio IC work here. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, so I took out the board. It looks clean. Stickers are in different shades, but they look untouched. So let's straight away do the audio. So let's add a little bit of flux and remove the IC. Okay, looks like I removed chip. Okay, let's try to not reball it. Yeah, that's done. Let's move it a bit. Three more jumpers. That's done. Let's move it a bit. That's done as well. And one more left. And that's ready. Okay, let's clean it out. Okay, let's put UV mask there. It's okay. So let's dry it. The glue is dry. Now let's put chip back and test our connections. Yeah, before it's better to diode mode the connector. Always forgetting about that. So Yeah, here you have 500, that's correct. OL 780, 730. That's correct. Let's put the IC back. Okay, supposed to be fine. Let's wait a bit and clean it. Let's power the phone on. Yeah, we have microphone now, and we have proximity. That means that our audio AC is fixed. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, that's loud and clear. That's it. I will end this repair here as I have to replace just the screen and the battery, and that phone is ready. So let's talk numbers. This was iPhone 7 32GB silver, unlocked IMEI number ends with these digits. When I was fixing that phone, I noticed that carrier there was EE, but it was just the last carrier people tested it with, so the phone actually is unlocked. So that's good, I don't have to spend money for unlocking. Phone was fine, it was charging, it was everything okay with that. It was just a broken screen, audio AC issue and the battery replacement. So I did all of this, and the expenses is 26 euro. It's 18 euro for a screen and 8 euro for the battery. I'm adding charger as the phone is fully fixed, it's working now, and I will be selling that phone for 139 euro to CEX. That's what they pay for the iPhone 7 32GB unlocked in the B grade, 139 euro. So I'm making here 62 euro and 71 cents and 128.53% on my money there. Totally I spent around half an hour because I didn't do a reball for the audio IC, and the screen and battery replacements are very quick. So as you can see here, I'm already in the plus there. So I'm making 67 euro and 20 cents and 6.89% on my initial investment there. So that's very good, and I'm just excited how much money I will make from the other phones. So that's what I was talking about in previous videos. This is audio AC issue. It's very common with the iPhone 7s, and about a year ago this phones was very popular here, and I was getting like every day 1 or 2 devices of this. And some people in the busier areas, for example in shopping centers or something like that, they were getting like packs of them, like 10 phones, 15 phones per day. And if you are fixing them like in 20 minutes, you can fix probably, I don't know, like 10-15 phones per day, maybe more than that, and the money for that is like very good because you don't spend any part cost there. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and see you next one.